This is a video for Correspondence 26-3, Business Letter in Block Style. The problem is found on page 90 in your textbook. Step 1 is to download the file to begin work. Because this is a new problem, you want to start from scratch. So click on Start from Scratch. The program will ask if you want to save it. You're going to want to save it someplace on your computer that you can find it again. So it's called GDP Unit 6 26-3 COR for correspondence. So save it as a blank document and then open a blank Word document and then enter the text of the problem. Once you've done that, one thing you do want to notice that at the bottom of the letter it has URS. Those want your reference initials. Even though there are 3 letters there, you want to use only 2. So in my case I would use MW. And I don't want them to be red, I want them to be black. Want to save the problem again on your computer, so the same spot so you know where to find it. Go back to GDP. Step 2 is to upload and save. So now you want to find that 26-3 correspondence. Open it. Click on Open. And then step 3 is to submit and score the work. You'll notice that I have an error in the date. It wants the current year, 2018. Everything else looks okay. You can look up here to see what the different colors might mean. So I say okay. I'm going to go back and edit my existing work because I have to fix that date. Open it again. Change my date to 2018. I want to resave. Go back to GDP. Step 2 to save the file. You see that I have corrected it, and now I have no errors. Keystroking errors 0. So, okay, I'm done. I can go to the next problem.